The Eroso RCE is revolutionizing winter sports as the world's first electric snowbike, combining the thrill of a snowmobile with the agility of an e-mountain bike. Perfect for adventurers and winter enthusiasts, it effortlessly glides over snowy trails, offering a smooth, stable, and eco-friendly ride. Built for extended outdoor fun, the Eroso RCE features the Enviolo continuously variable transmission, providing seamless speed control for a more intuitive riding experience. Its durable design includes a rugged Camso rubber track and a lightweight aluminum alloy frame, ensuring reliability and top performance on snow-covered terrain. Comfort is prioritized with an ergonomic composite seat, making long rides enjoyable and fatigue-free. Plus, being entirely electric, it produces zero emissions, making it the perfect choice for eco-conscious thrill seekers. The Eroso RCE truly redefines snowbiking, blending sustainability with exhilarating outdoor experiences. Engler Superquad. The Engler Superquad is a high-performance, all-terrain vehicle that combines power, speed, and durability for thrill seekers. Designed for off-road adventures, this quad is equipped with a 500cc air-cooled, 4-stroke single-cylinder engine, delivering smooth power through an automatic transmission with 4-wheel drive. With a 3.5-gallon fuel tank, riders can enjoy long trips without frequent refueling. Hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, ensuring safety on rough terrain. Its fully independent front and rear suspension, paired with 21-inch off-road tires, guarantees a stable, smooth ride over challenging landscapes. Weighing 450 pounds and measuring 80 inches long, 48 inches wide, and 60 inches high, the Superquad features a rugged frame, digital instrument cluster, and LED lighting for improved visibility. Built for serious adventure enthusiasts, this powerhouse ATV is perfect for anyone looking to conquer the outdoors with performance and reliability. The Leaper Kim Veteran Patton is an impressive electric unicycle built for both urban exploration and off-road excitement. Designed for thrill seekers, it boasts a rugged 16-inch knobby tire, providing excellent grip on various surfaces, from city streets to challenging trails. Its dual-piston fast suspension system absorbs shocks effortlessly, delivering a smooth and comfortable ride even on bumpy terrain. One of its standout features is the intuitive LCD display, which gives real-time data like speed, battery life, and mileage, keeping you fully informed during your ride. Charging is quick and efficient, taking just 4.5 hours to reach full power, so you spend more time riding and less time waiting. Engineered for durability and speed, the Veteran Patton accelerates with power and precision, offering a reliable and exciting experience. Whether commuting in the city or tackling rugged paths, this electric unicycle is built to perform. Lyhorse. The ultimate stand-up electric ATV. The Lyhorse stand-up electric ATV is designed for thrill seekers who want to explore rugged landscapes without harming the environment. With zero emissions, this cutting-edge off-road machine lets you ride freely while preserving nature. Its whisper-quiet motor enhances the experience, allowing you to hear the crunch of leaves, the whisper of the wind, and the sounds of distant wildlife, all without the roar of a gas engine. The Lyhorse is built for adventure lovers, combining simplicity and high performance. With fewer moving parts than traditional ATVs, it offers exceptional reliability, lower maintenance, and effortless handling. Whether you're tackling trails, mountains, or open fields, the Lyhorse redefines off-road exploration. It's the perfect choice for nature enthusiasts who crave adventure and sustainability, allowing you to ride with power, freedom, and a lighter footprint on the planet. The Mate Highs electric scooter is designed for city riders who want a smooth, efficient, and stylish way to get around. It reaches speeds of up to 45 km per hour, perfect for zipping through urban streets. With a lithium-ion battery, it covers up to 30 miles on a single charge, making it a reliable choice for daily commutes. Its aerospace-grade aluminum frame keeps it lightweight yet strong. TE 10-inch pneumatic tires provide great shock absorption for a comfortable ride, while the dual disc brakes ensure quick and safe stopping. The bright 4-inch TFT display keeps you updated on speed, battery life, and distance. The Mate Highs is the perfect blend of power, convenience, and sleek design for modern commuters. Quiggle Folding Bike, the ultimate compact commuter. For city dwellers who value both style and functionality, the Quiggle Folding Bike is a game-changer. Designed and manufactured in Germany, this innovative bike is the world's smallest folding bike, with a folded size of just 55 by 40 by 25 centimeters, small enough to fit as hand luggage. Weighing only 9.9 to 10 kilograms, the Quiggle is lightweight and easy to carry, allowing users to pull it like a trolley when folded. Despite its compact design, it doesn't compromise on quality or durability. Its high-tech folding mechanism, premium materials, and precise engineering ensure a smooth ride while maintaining an ultra-portable form. Starting at €1,421, the Quiggle Folding Bike offers a unique blend of portability and performance, making it perfect for urban commuters, frequent travelers, and anyone seeking a reliable, space-saving ride. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R is built for riders who crave adventure, power, and precision. Weighing 22 pounds less than its predecessor, it features a 3-part drop-down fuel tank, lowering the center of gravity for better balance and handling. The 34.6-inch seat height offers superior control, making this large machine surprisingly nimble on and off the road. At its core, a 1,301cc V-twin engine roars with 160 horsepower, with selectable sport, street, rain, and off-road modes. The optional rally mode, via the Tech Pack, provides 9 levels of traction control for real-time adjustments. Advanced tech like cornering ABS, lean angle sensors, and accelerometers ensures a stable ride. A 7-inch TFT display, improved key fob security, and a refined cruise control system add convenience. With a 249-mile range, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure R is an unstoppable force for adventure enthusiasts. The Taurus 2x2 is a lightweight, all-wheel drive motorcycle built for extreme off-road adventures. Designed to conquer mud, snow, and rocky trails, with a 3.2-gallon fuel tank, it offers long-distance rides and both electric and manual starters make ignition effortless. A 2-stage gearbox with a clutch and connectable front-wheel drive ensures smooth handling, while disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. The hollow aluminum wheels with tubeless huge beast tires. The Taurus 2x2 is compact yet sturdy. Its quick disassembly design allows it to fit in a car trunk. Not street legal, this rugged machine is built for true explorers who crave off-road freedom beyond the beaten path.